Shiny
How's it going?
Not bad. Almost done with the rework.
Nice.
So, stuff happens.
Stuff happens.
Yeah.
We can fix it.
So, what's my question today?
Yeah, question of the day. Are classic VWs reliable?
It depends on your maintenance schedule.
Uh-huh.
We get actually asked, are VW Classics really reliable, or is any old car really reliable? Short is yes and no. If it's been neglected and like anything else, it's not going to be reliable. If you take care of it, do your maintenance, do your valve adjustments, fresh fuel, it requires a little bit more work to keep them going. That was the technology back in the day. So it's yes, they can be, but you really have to stay on top of your maintenance.
So it's not the same as, hopping into your brand new car.
Oh, no.
Even, a decade-old car.
Well, those are even all computer controlled. I mean, I've got a 20-year-old truck that we use for a hauler, and it's got a computer in it.
Yeah.
So, you turn the key and go. If you got to let them warm up, and it's Stone's been driving his since before he was a kid, or before he could drive.
Oh, my bug? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. But it's like he's got to always do maintenance on it.
Sure.
So, just to keep it up and going. Otherwise,
do maintenance on about every 6 months.
Yeah. So, he breaks something, he fixes it.
Uh-huh.
It's
So would they be reliable enough you would take them on a long drive?
I drove mine 2 hours, 2-3 hours before.
Yeah.
And and I've driven mine 2 or 3 hours at a time. I actually used my Bug as a daily driver for a while when I was in Phoenix.
Yeah.
So, and I would drive it all day, going to job sites and stuff. So I had sold my pickup truck and I hadn't bought another one. I was a general contractor and I had to go, see people and meetings and planning and permits.
And you rolled up in
roll up in a classic dub that's all lowered, It's just it's kind of a kit.
Not your typical contractor.
Yeah, Bocho, which is Spanish for VW.
Oh, okay.
So Bocho. Anyway,
Cool.
That's really all I can do.
Good answer. So yeah, they're reliable if you're reliable.
Yes, if you take care of it, it'll take care of you.
Yeah.
So always have AAA though, just in case.
Just in
This
case.
stuff does break.
That makes sense.
So.
All right, so show us what you're working on here.
This is the second target top. When it was getting built last week, we ended up with too long of a screw and it ended up popping through.
Cool.
And so this last weekend, I ended up doing the blend and the repair, and then reshot and clear. Yesterday, I did all the color sanding, and now I'm in the second stage of polish, and I got one more stage of polish after that. And then I'm done with it.
It's almost like a mirror. We are filming you in the top. So I can see where you've got some more, some more rub-a-dub-a-dub.
Yeah, but I mean, this is just polish.
But up here where it's done.
Yeah, actually, I haven't even hit this one yet.
Oh, really?
This one's done. So I try to do them in quarters.
Yeah.
So by doing them in quarters, I don't even know where I'm supposed to be looking here. By doing them in quarters, I actually get a good overlap pattern, and it tends to do much better for the overall finish.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm very protective of my paint, but this is why it's taking me 2 days to bring it up to this level.
Yeah.
And I'm still really not done with it.
And this is charged to the shop, not to the client.
Yep.
So
this is an unforced error that we need to fix.
and it happens, even with the pros.
So you guys out there in YouTube land, we have a couple different playlists going. We'd like you to go ahead and subscribe to the different playlists. One of them is All Worky No Talkie, or Watch Us Work. I think
Watch Us Work.
I think is what it is.
Yeah.
We really enjoy doing those. If you like that type of content, let us know. We've got. You guys are gonna miss it. Oh, that'll be next week. Sorry.
Oh, a little teaser, huh?
Yeah. So the rust bus is coming in today.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because we're supposed to get some storms up this afternoon, get some rain.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, my mud was getting dehydrated.
Yeah, well.
God help me.
Can't have dry mud.
The water in the mud was getting dehydrated. That was
okay.
It. Yeah.
Yes.
So we've got.
We live in a swamp.
Well, it's Mush Island, and they call it that for a reason. Anyway, we shouldn't have any high water or any water in the shop or anything like that, but we want to get it in before it starts raining because we're going to start disassembly on that today.
Oh, good. All right.
that's on my list to do after I get finished with this.
Wow.
Trying to figure out what we're gonna do with it.
Yeah.
We might just have to push forward and just bring it in.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Yeah, just open up the other door since it's not all that cold.
Yeah.
So we do have some room, but it's kind of tight.
It's a little
here.
tight.
So next availability is going to be July.
Okay.
So if you want your classic VW done, info@airkooledkustoms.com, or you can give us a call 256-828-2123, and we're happy to talk to you about your restoration project.
Cool.
So we've got a couple of people we're talking with. So July actually might be gone already. I don't know yet.
Right.
So first come, first serve. I see a deposit check, you're on the list.
There you go.
So
Save
our
your
board's
spot.
pretty full right now. So as soon as it's like we can't get them out of here fast enough.
Yeah.
It's like we want them to go. This one's going to be going home real soon. We got to finish the window sets.
Probably the end of
Yeah, probably. The client's actually coming in this coming weekend
Yeah.
from Minnesota.
So just got done polishing this.
Yeah, got his final polish and
I could see Stone in the reflection too.
Stony Baloney.
Stony Baloney. This is awesome.
So
Hey, and we got our spot for Bug-A-Palüsa.
So
Our house that we'll stay at for the crew.
We've got that. What's the dates on Bug-A-Palüsa?
It's like
18th
18th and 19th.
It's
Yeah,
the
18th.
weekend after Easter.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
weekend after Easter, 18th and 19th. So if you're in the Chattanooga area, come down to Camp Jordan on the 18th or 19th. Come say hi. We will have copies of the book, How to Restore Your VW Beetle, for sale. And we're just going to hang out. We're going to have that white Ghia, hopefully. We're going to hopefully have that white Ghia ready to go.
Yeah.
So these guys are about to set windows.
Oh, nice.
You might want to watch that.
Yeah, I might have to do that.
Low rider. Okay, so
Here comes the window.
yep.
Wheel.
Yeah, grab them little strings.
There we go.
You ready?
Have you guys ever wondered what it takes to actually do one
Which
of
way
these
you gonna
windows
go? Go one
installs?
way.
Let's see which way is this going.
Whichever way you want to
This
go.
way.
Take off one way and then come back and start the other way.
Yeah.
The buddy system works well.
We having problems?
Good.
We don't have problems. It's just all puzzle.
Start hitting this corner.
I knew I did push too hard one time. I just pushed
All right,
too hard, makes it
there.
hard.
I need you that corner.
Don't rip my seal.
Yeah, really.
All right. Come the other way.
So as they're tapping that in, Stone is also removing, what is that thing called?
Just a piece of string.
It's the string.
It's the
How's that for a
nylon
technical
Stroking it
name?
in.
It's called roping a window.
Roping a
Open the
window.
window. This is the easiest way to put it in here. I always lube it up too, so it goes in nice and easy.
So instead of using silicone, we like to use Dawn dishwater or Dawn dish soap
Uh-huh.
because it does wash off with water.
Okay.
And we don't like silicone really in the body shop because
Yeah.
it causes problems with our paint.
Oh, sure.
I think it makes it slippery. Can't really get it.
Yeah.
Right,
the whole thing,
yeah.
the whole operation slippery.
Slippery and glass. That's
There we go.
a fun
careful.
combination. It does
Makes
smell
you
like
nervous.
Dawn liquid.
Because I've already seen 3 in your room.
Well, these are new seals. These are
yeah.
not old seals.
And the first one we tried to install on this window was a 10-year-old seal that they just,
New in the box.
it was, no.
And it's shredded, right?
Yeah, as soon as they tried to get it all the way in, it just,
Yeah, you're not trying to push too hard.
I'm just holding.
That's all we do. There we go. That's what I like to see when it goes easy like that.
yep.
Yeah.
All right, I'm on your side, Spook.
You keep on knocking, but you can't come in.
And this is a new piece of glass too, so the whole thing's new on the front.
Oh, yeah. It's kind of satisfying.
Brand new glass in the front.
All right, Get to this corner.
There you go.
Make that corner and we're good. And then we got to get this guy.
Almost home.
You must kind of cut off your circulation a little bit.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Can you feel your fingers?
There you go.
Whoa, look at that.
There you
Nice. Yeehaw. Pull the reins.
The only thing I'm doing is following along here.
It kind of giving that constant pressure.
Mm-hmm. Almost there.
And this is not a one-person job.
No. We got 3. Plus an observer. I know. Almost there.
Boom! She's
Yay!
in. Window installed.
Hooray!
And it didn't rip.
That's an awesome thing.
There you go.
Awesome.
So, you just learned how to rope a window.
How about that?
Yep.
Not the same as rope-a-dope.
No.
Okay. Is that the first one you've done, Darren?
No, actually, I did this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, all
and
of
the
them
two
there.
corner
Oh,
ones.
you're getting to be an old pro.
Well, we're not going to say that.
You're getting there.
The ones he's worried about is the pop-outs.
Oh, okay.
Because pop-outs in these are a pain.
Are they? That's going to be fun then.
Yeah.
But we live for it.
We've done it before, so we'll do it.
Yeah, these look good. I like Safari windows. I mean, the split windows.
Come on out, old man. You all right?
Very nice. Well done, fellas.
So,
Let's see what Alex is up to.
Days ago, I finished this quarter glass.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice and stiff because it's all new rubber.
Right. Oh, nice.
Pop out, and now I'm getting all of this done on the other side so I
Great.
can work on the door build.
And do you know, did we buy these tinted or did we get them tinted?
We got them tinted.
This is coming along really nice. It's going to be awesome. Hope we can get it done in time for Bug-A-Palüsa, right?
Yeah, that's the goal. It should be mostly done by then. There might
Okay.
still be some little things that aren't ready for the show.
Close enough, though.
Yeah.
That's good. Awesome. Well, it's coming along.
Yeah.
Looking good. All right. We'll have a fun day working on this.
Thank you.
No pressure.